this is my 4-bit adder, and we're gonna see how it works. So, well, first I'm gonna run it. So currently it's all 0, so 1, and now 2. Okay. And now it's all 0 again, so now we're going to do 2, and we're going to do 1. And it's 3, that's how it's supposed to work. And 2 and 2, it's 4, that's how it's supposed to work. Now 4, and then we have 1, yeah, that's 5, makes sense. And that's 6, that also makes sense. And 3 and 4, that makes 7. Now 4 and 4, that makes 8, which also makes sense. Now 8, and we're going to add 1. That's 9, that makes sense. 2, A. A is actually 10. It's weird, but that's how it is, so you get it to work. Yeah. Next up, let me get to the page. 11 is B. I did this already. 11 should be B. Yeah, 11 is B. And 12 is C. We're going to do 8 and 8, and that's the max. It can't go beyond this, because if you do, it just resets. So yeah, that's my 4-bit adder. I think I did good, I guess.